MIG welding is supposed to be the easy way to join metal, but the wrong machine can turn every project into a battle against messy spatter. Whether you're repairing a gate or learning in your garage, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 7 MIG welders that help you start faster, weld cleaner, and finish projects with confidence. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Arc Captain 135. If you are just getting into MIG welding, the biggest hurdle is not power, it is confusion. You want a machine that helps you get a stable arc quickly, so you can focus on your hand movement and positioning instead of obsessing over settings. Arc Captain 135 is a beginner-friendly multi-process unit that gives you flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG capability if you add the right torch. The everyday advantage is flexibility because you can handle quick repairs, brackets, and basic fabrication without needing multiple machines. The standout feature is the guided setup. You select wire size and metal thickness, and it recommends settings automatically. That reduces the trial and error phase that makes new welders quit early. You still get room to grow. If you know what you are doing, you can fine-tune wire feed and voltage, and even choose different trigger styles for longer passes. It is a nice balance between training wheels and real control. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. B-Stark MIG 145. Do you want one welder that adapts to your space? Then, dual voltage is a big deal. You might plug into standard home power today, then use a higher power outlet later when you are ready for thicker projects. The B-Stark MIG 145 is built to make that transition easy. It automatically recognizes input voltage and shows it clearly, so you do not have to second-guess whether your setup is correct. It also leans into synergic control, which is a fancy way of saying it helps match voltage and wire feed settings for you. For beginners, that means fewer ugly starts and fewer sessions spent wondering why the bead looks wrong. For experienced welders, manual adjustments are still there when you want to dial in a specific feel. The other practical win is solid wire and flux core support. Indoors, you can go for cleaner solid wire welding with shielding gas. Outdoors or in breezy conditions, flux core is often the better move because it is less sensitive to wind. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Yes Welder 205 DS Pro. Yes Welder supports gas MIG, flux core MIG, lift TIG with the right torch, stick, and spool gun aluminum MIG when you add the spool gun. The real lifestyle benefit is that you can go from repairing steel to tackling aluminum jobs without buying a whole new machine. It also offers both synergic and manual MIG. So if you want quick, reliable starting points, you can let it guide settings. If you are chasing a specific bead profile or working on tricky joints, you can take full control. The higher output gives you more confidence on thicker material, and the dual voltage design keeps it usable in a home garage while still letting you scale up when you have access to stronger power. The digital display helps with precision, especially when you are trying to repeat settings across multiple pieces. Consistency is what makes multi-part projects look professional. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Arc Captain 205 Pro. Arc Captain 205 Pro is a multi-mode machine that goes beyond basic MIG and stick, adding spot welding and spool gun aluminum welding with the right add-ons. That makes it useful for home DIY, garage builds, outdoor repairs, and maintenance tasks where you want options. One of the biggest benefits is the deeper control features like inductance and burnback adjustments. You do not have to obsess over the technical meaning to enjoy the results. In real use, these controls help you tune the arc feel and reduce the annoying wire issues that can happen at the end of a weld. It also includes different trigger styles and spot settings, which can make repetitive tasks feel faster and more consistent. If you do a lot of tack welding and fit-up work, those small time savers add up. The app control is a unique touch for convenience. Being able to save favorite settings can make your workflow feel smoother, especially if you bounce between a few common materials. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Best MIG. If you are starting from scratch and you want to be ready to weld immediately, included accessories can make the decision easy. A lot of welders look cheap until you realize you still need gear to actually use them safely. Best MIG is built for that ready-to-go experience. It supports MIG with flux core, stick, and lift TIG with an additional torch, giving you flexibility without adding complexity. The beginner-friendly appeal comes from automatic parameter adjustment. You set your basics, and it helps tune the machine so you can focus on technique. That is ideal when you are learning because your biggest improvement comes from repetition, not from endless knob turning. A major plus is the included safety bundle, like an auto-darkening helmet and gloves. That is not just a bonus. It is a practical way to get new welders started without delays or extra shopping. It works well for common home materials and projects, especially when you want to weld without dealing with shielding gas setups. That makes it a great fit for garages, driveways, and quick repairs. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Femoral. Femoral 250 is a multi-function unit with gas MIG, flux core, stick, spot welding, lift TIG with the right torch, and spool gun compatibility. The real benefit is that you can tackle different jobs without feeling boxed in by the machine. For beginners, the synergic control is a huge help. You choose wire diameter and material setup, and it recommends settings. That makes it easier to get stable results even before your technique is perfect. For experienced welders, the ability to adjust welding current and preferences lets you refine the feel and match the machine to your style. That matters when you are doing longer passes or working on material that needs a specific approach. Aluminum capability is a big deal here, whether you are repairing light frames, building small utility parts, or experimenting with different projects. Having a path to aluminum welding makes the machine more future-proof. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Yes Welder 135 Pro. This Yes Welder option deserves a spot in this video because it balances simplicity and performance in a way that fits real home welding. It is a 3-in-1 unit for gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG with the right torch so you can handle a wide range of projects without overbuying. Synergic control is the real quality of life feature. You adjust wire feed, it recommends voltage, and you fine-tune from there if you want. That makes it easier to get stable arcs and repeatable beads without wasting a weekend on frustration. It is also built to be portable, so you can carry it to the driveway, a friend's place, or wherever the work is. And the included flux core wire means you can start welding quickly without needing shielding gas right away. With strong safety protections and a clear digital display, it feels like a smart, modern choice for learning and building. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best MIG welders you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.